Hello everyone, and today we are looking at the KEVIN.MURPHY Hydrate-Me Wash and Rinse set. This dew is perfect for natural or colored hair that feels dry and lacks a healthy glow. The hydrating shampoo is packed with antioxidants to revive parched locks and restore essential moisture. Follow up with the rinse to nourish your hair and transform the look of split ends. This color-safe treatment is completely free from harsh sulphates and parabens for a gentle clean. These products help you recreate high-fashion runway looks while remaining kind to the environment. Experience salon-quality results at home and give your dry hair the hydration it truly deserves. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.